How to use DisplayPort Alt Mode. The Poly Studio G9 Plus features USB-C with DisplayPort Alt Mode, allowing the same port to transmit video, audio, data, and power. This versatile connection simplifies setups by using just one cable for everything, perfect for use cases like digital whiteboards and more. Before starting, ensure your HP G9 Mini conferencing PC is already connected to Ethernet, power, and your Poly TC10 device. Then connect the USB-C cable to the red port on the HP G9. Connect the other end to your digital whiteboard or other DisplayPort Alt Mode compatible device. Please follow any additional setup instructions included with your connected device. Once everything is set up, you're ready to enjoy a seamless multifunctional connection with DisplayPort Alt Mode.